Ever dreamed of growing your own healing herbs but don't have a big garden? The truth is, you don't need one. Even if you live in a small apartment, you can still enjoy fresh, homegrown herbal remedies right at your fingertips. And to make it super simple, I'm using the Medicinal Garden Kit brand new. It's beginner-friendly, comes with carefully selected healing herb seeds, and fits perfectly into any lifestyle. I've left the link in the description so you can check it out. Step 1 is choosing the right herbs. For small spaces, you want plants that are both compact and packed with medicinal benefits. My favorites are chamomile for calming the mind, peppermint for aiding digestion, basil for boosting immunity, and calendula for soothing the skin. The Medicinal Garden Kit actually has all of these ready to grow. Step 2 is picking your containers. You don't need expensive planters. Small clay pots, recycled tins, or even hanging baskets work great. Just make sure they have drainage holes so your herbs don't get waterlogged. Step 3 is giving them the right light. Herbs love the sun, so aim for a spot that gets 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily, like a sunny balcony or windowsill. If that's not possible, a compact grow light can give them the boost they need. Step 4 is watering and care. Water only when the top inch of soil feels dry, and remember to trim your herbs regularly. This not only keeps them healthy, but encourages more lush, flavorful growth. Step 5 is harvesting for use. Once your plants are mature, you can start enjoying them fresh. Brew chamomile tea for relaxation, sip peppermint tea after meals, or infuse calendula into oil for skincare. There's nothing quite like using remedies you grew yourself. So, no matter how small your space is, you can grow a thriving healing herb garden right at home. And if you want a quick, easy way to start, grab the Medicinal Garden Kit brand new. It's got all the seeds and guidance you need. The link is in the description. Happy gardening, and here's to your health.